Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are November Part 2 for 2024 Patreon for STL. Uh, for your D&D Warhammer proxy and figures. All the links will be down below. And also, if you like it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below as well. And let's get started. So we got rescale miniatures. And this is one of the nice ones, Gold Dragon. That we'll have for this month, looks like it. Release. I wish you made it bigger. Now I gotta zoom all the way in. Okay, let's see what we got here. So we got some like a giant bat. Writing it looks like we got ghouls coming up, and we have gold dragons. Then we'll have probably a ghoul king, and we have a lich for it. That's actually pretty cool. For that, we got Dragon Tapper's Lodge. So we have another preview of the classics. So this is D&D Classic. Looks like, oh, we got Blink Dog coming in. We got Kobolds. We got, looks like elves. I think this looks more like Drizzt. And we have, looks like a worm. Dragon, baby dragon, kobolds. Kobolds with wings. Drizzt. Probably another drow. But it's an elf, some type of elf, another elf as well. These look like drow shape, in my opinion. But do we have something else? There we go, another one. Return to the Mushroom Bayou and Cult of the Pale One. We got Yoshi, little thing. We got some shrooms, crocodile, cooking crocodile, crocodile folk, Crocodile Dundee. Yeah, it's like some kind of swamp troll. We've got some mushrooms. Still pretty good. Fungus. This is the Cult of the Pale One. So this is actually pretty good for Age of Sigmar for your scat. I forgot what the lizards are called for your proxy ones as well. Actually pretty cool. These are pretty cool looking lizard folks in my opinion. Yeah. I can't wait to have it. I do want to have, oh, we got some, what's that, black dragon head? No, that's not a black dragon head. Some dragonoid heads. We have a dinosaur, triceratops. So I think this is some kind of plant that can mimic shapes of heads or body. So yeah. A piranha with 4 legs. That's kind of funny. That's just freaking creepy. And there are actual monster manual of this, the old school one. I think it was AD&D. I know they had it in 3.5. I forgot which book it was because there's like 5 monster manual for 3.5. So yeah, pretty cool. Azerma, these are figures. For November, we'll be getting Albedo, Akio for loyalty member, and Athena. That'll be for this month. Hubris Studio, we are getting Kane Near. One of the Near Automata, the latest Automata game. I haven't played it yet, but yeah, that'll be it. You can still probably grab this for last month if you're interested. But that's what it is. Sneak peek. Arkman's minis. They have like Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon, and some other stuff as well. So we got Yu-Gi-Oh. That's here. Dude, forgot where this is from. This is from Monster Rancher. And this is Pokemon right here. So we have little Dabymon, Seto Kaiba, and so forth. You get this one as well for last year November if you haven't gotten it. And you get the welcome packs as well. Cal 3D Studios. These are figures as well. You won't see much of it, but we got Black Wukong, Visible Woman. That's probably gonna be Kronos. Don't know where she's from. Don't know. I know she's from Fate. Don't know. Cena, I think she's in the Disney, and we got Wolverine. So, so you got a lot of good stuff, and they're very good models as well. If you print them out. So if you're interested, yeah, go check them out. Neko figurines, another figure one as well. For November, we get Brunus, Robin, and 10H Near. So I want to get Brunus. I got a lot of 2B looking things. So Brunus is one of the main things I want to get for Zero Zone Zentless. Miles Studio, they will pop up, but I think you can get some of these. Oops, you can get some of these. Probably from last month. You get to read the tiers for it, Yuri. But usually they just come out. So your character vote for November. Who won? 31. So Android 21. So I believe Android 21H is going to be the next one. So Android 21 from Dragon Ball Z. Yes, we'll be getting that. STL Project, another good one. You get their past month as well. They do a lot of video games and movie and anime ones as well. We got Pyramid Head from last month. I don't think we ever see it. Ash, Freddy Krueger. This is from last month. From The Exorcist. This is a loyalty one, I believe. So yeah. Check them out. He just pops it out now. He doesn't put out what's coming up next. It's just, if you like it, great. If not, well, too bad. PS Miniature, very good anime proxy. The ones I've been showing shorts of the anime proxy, anime girl. This is one of them. And we can get one of the Sisters of Battles for the set. And these looks actually pretty cool. Yeah, I like these ones better than the Williams Workshop. Tell you the truth, they look like they've been they're supposed to be inflicted and take care of their pain in their stay. I forgot, Death Maidens. Nymph 3D. We got Maria, probably from Silent Hill, I believe. Then we got Lucy and Bowsette for November. Yeah, there's Starfire. See what their models looks like as well. PG Pasta. We got Mystique. If you're interested in that. This is last month, but this is this month actually. We have this one as well. We also got Magical Schoolgirl. I forgot it's from Yu-Gi-Oh! And this one is from Star Trek. I think from Enterprise, I believe. Remote Toto. Gonna get a lot of stuff ready. This is from last month. She's getting ready. Him or she's gonna get ready to get that done. But I don't know what the release is for November. So we got Leafia and Susie from Hollow Live. It looks like it's going to be one of these two or both of these, probably going to be for this month. Yuki, another figure. This is figure one as well. So we also got Clement from Pokemon Black and White, one of the gym leaders. And I believe we got more. I think we're getting more. I think we're getting, this is December, male. Let's see here. What do we got? So we got female. So still waiting for Yoshino from Data Live. Oh, that's for December. I don't know when they're going to bring the next one. So I know he does two models, one male, one female. So we're waiting for the female one out as well. Last one, Upala. Another figure one as well for November. We're getting Usada, Provkova, Hollow Live, and Asia from Dan Da Dan. But yeah, this is what the figures looks like. If you like it. Anyhow, hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.